What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel and to this video. Today we're going to be swapping out a propane tank that has gone empty in a gas grill. Been wanting to make a video like this for my wife, who has claimed she has no idea how to do this and would like to know. So for all of you out there who it might not be so obvious, hopefully this video can help you out. So I think it's very clear when the propane tank actually runs out of propane, right? You turn the knobs and nothing happens. Now your gas grill might be a little different from mine, but basically when you click that start button, that ignition button, you can see in the middle of the screen there's a spark, and the propane tank is turned on, and the knobs are also turned on into the ignite mode, as indicated in the instructions for this particular grill. So I know that there is no propane reaching the spark, right? So that's your indicator that it is loose, or excuse me, out of propane. Now the knob itself will become extremely loose when it's empty. We're going to tighten it all the way up. Make sure you turn that top knob, what is that, clockwise there. Clockwise should close the tank's valve. And then we are going to loosen, so counterclockwise, the actual tube that will connect the propane and bring the propane to the grill, right? Look at that black tube there. So that's a little plastic knob that we're going to unscrew. And again, that propane will go up into the gas grill. So we're going to disconnect that, okay? Again, make sure that metal tank is closed. And then this particular grill has a little wire, kind of securing wire right there. You can see it's coated, and you just kind of lift that up and it should slide right out. When we go to put the new one back on, I'll show you how to do that in a second. But we've got our empty propane tank now, and again, if you turn it on real quick, there should be nothing coming out, right? It's also kind of lightweight. You can definitely tell a heavy tank versus a lightweight, or a full tank versus empty tank in terms of weight. Now once we have a new one, and you just go to the store, don't bring it in the store, go to the cash register and say, hey, I want to exchange a tank. They'll give you a reduced rate for an exchange as opposed to a flat out purchase. You get your new one and you put it back in the exact place that it was. It sits on a little lip down below, and then you kind of snap down this metal wire just like that. Make sure the orientation before you snap that down of the knob itself is pointed in the correct way like it was before, if that makes sense. You don't want to have to wrap that black tube around in any way. You just want it to go a clear straight shot so that you can screw it on in a way that doesn't miss thread or strip the threads or just not get a secure seal. And you're going to hand tighten. There's no need to get a wrench or anything like that. You definitely want it as tight as possible, but just by hand, basically until it stops turning, right? And then you can go ahead and turn on that metal knob on your propane tank itself and just listen. You shouldn't hear any hissing, and smell. You shouldn't smell anything either. Go ahead and turn the knobs on your grill, hit that ignite button, and voila, should be good to go. You should always hit that ignite button with the lid open as opposed to close for safety reasons. Make sure you read the instructions in your grill, because your grill will be different, right? And probably have some different operating instructions. So Google the make and model of your grill if you're not sure, but it should be pretty simple. We'll replace the grates after testing to make sure all three burners ignite correctly, and we should be good to go. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in more do-it-yourself videos like this. I put out videos every week or so. Thanks.